Okay, everyone, I'm back after a bit of a hiatus. Um, been trying to learn some new coding. I was a programming instructor at a technical college here in Alberta, and trying to get my mind fresh. So I haven't been focusing on doing a lot of things with Lightburn. But what I did find, searching through all my Facebook posts, well, somebody posted um, questions about how do I take a photo and turn it into line art. And there's lots of commercial tools out there, but this one person replies that there's a free one. It's called Google Gemini. So I got to play with it and I had some pretty decent results. So today I'm going to show you how to take a photo and convert it into line art for laser engraving using Google Gemini. So without further ado, let's go into my computer here, and I want to do Google Gemini search. So you just type in Google Gemini in your URL bar. It's a sponsored result. You just click on Google Gemini. Um, so to avoid any real copyright issues, I'm going to take an old picture of myself, and do this with Google Gemini. So first thing you need to do is need to add a file. Okay, so I don't want to create an image and let's see, do this fast first. So I'm going to add a file, and it's in my pictures folder, and it's this first one. Now, so there's my photo, and what I need to do is tell Gemini AI system what to do. So I saved this script, and it says transform it into a drawing made only with lines. The shadows must also be made only with lines, so that the final product is an image that can be used in laser engraving. So that was the original AI script that I found. And since I'm focusing on pictures, I don't want to see all the background, so I had added remove background. So that's my script. I'm going to copy that into Google Gemini. Go back to my Google Gemini here, and I'm going to paste it in. Now, there's several options here. You saw when I first started, it was thinking, but by the default, I'm going to use fast, and haven't tried this, so I don't want to feel like upgrading just yet. You may want to just think about how this works with fast. So I'm going to click on fast, and now it's thinking, and it's probably loading a cached image, because I've done this a couple times already the last little while. I love this. It's loading Nano Banana 2. And there's the picture. Okay. Now you can edit, you can download it. I already downloaded this to my computer. All I'm going to do is just take this and copy the image, and I'm going to go into Lightburn, and I'm going to paste it. So there's my first attempt at AI with my picture of myself. So I'm also going to import the original, so you can see the original. It's in my pictures folder. Where's my pictures? There we are. And scroll down and take this one. And just for comparison, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Just a little bit bigger. So you can see that it's pretty close to the original. And I'm going to put this on the block layer. So that's my original. I'll leave this on the blue layer, so I can see that I take this and I want to see what it looks like. It's going to take about 18 minutes. Now with this, because it's an image, we can see in Lightburn that it's an image. One of the things that I've learned is for images, I turn on pass through. Now, if you turn off pass through, you can do a bunch of different things, but pass through works the best for what we want to do. And one thing I can do is I can do a trace. So if I do a trace image, use the trace tool, which I can refine this as much as I want. Oops, turn that right off. Let's do as default and go OK. And that's an image. So I want to take this image. This is my trace now. If I want to see how long it took to trace, it that long. I think that might be the original here. Let me see here. Turn that off. Turn that on. Oh, that's my trace. I can tell it's my trace because when I bring it up, I have all the dancing ants on there. And if I set that to fill and go run this, 6 hours for that. Ooh, that's on fill mode. Ooh, that's pretty ugly. If I leave it on line mode, it still takes over 40 minutes. So the thing with Google AI is you probably want to just stick with the picture. It's saved as a PNG, which means it has a transparent background. And like I said, it takes 18 minutes to go through. Okay, that's fast mode. So what if I want to do another mode in Google Gemini? So let's go back to my Google Gemini. And I want to upload my file. I want to upload my original again. There. And I want to get that same script. Oops. And bring that in. And now I want to go thinking mode. Now thinking mode will take a little bit longer to do, but that's okay. We have a little bit of time. Let's run through thinking mode. And let's see what Google AI Assistant does this time. And there is my image. So I'm going to copy that image. I'm going to bring that into Lightburn. I'm going to put this on a different layer. So it's just that image and 2 hours and 23 minutes. There's a lot of detail. If I start running play, it takes a lot of detail because there's a lot more lines in there than what we want. If I trace this image and turn on just my trace, that's a more reasonable 55 minutes. But compared to 55 minutes to my first attempt through using the fast mode with just a picture, takes 18 minutes. So depending on the detail that you want, you may find that either fast or thinking mode works best for you. That's the original picture. So you have some choices what to do with your Google Gemini AI Assistant. And when you bring your picture into Lightburn, you have some options. What do you want to do? Do you want to try a trace? Do you want to use it as a picture? And once again, as a picture, I think that's this one. As a picture, you want to use that pass-through option, right? By default, that's the best option I found using pictures. So I hope you found this interesting. There's a number of other websites and tools out there you can use. But if you want to do something really quick and fairly clean, then Google Gemini AI Assistant will probably work well for you. So take care. If you like this video and any others in my YouTube channel, please share with your friends or colleagues or acquaintances, and to see more of my work. And there's quite a bit out there right now, so please subscribe if you find this useful as well. So take care, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.